I'm showing you how to use Magical Crimpers, one of my favorite tools for finishing beading wire. Magical Crimpers have a single rounded divot that forms a 2mm crimp tube into what looks like a tiny rounded bead spacer. It's secure, polished, and you don't need to use a crimp cover. Start by taking a length of medium beading wire and stringing on a 2mm crimp tube. String the wire through your jewelry finding. Here, I'm using a SilverSilk end cap as an example. String back through the crimp. Make sure the wire loop around the finding is about 2mm wide. This gives the finding enough room to move freely and prevents stress on the beading wire. Place the crimp tube in the center of the Magical Crimper and press once. This flattens the four corners of the crimp, giving it a squared shape. Now turn it on its side and press again. This begins to round out the shape. Repeat that step, turn and squeeze, until the crimp compresses into a little ball. Tug on the beading wire to make sure it's secure, and trim the tail wire to finish. Now you're ready to string on your beads. Repeat the same steps as before to crimp the other end onto your jewelry finding, and you are all set. Thanks so much for watching.